So the box obviously came out super sick. All I have right now is the painted baskets. We're getting ready to build the subs any day now. Right now is a good time to do the thing that I dread the most: sound deadening the roof.
Now, I really only dread doing this because it's such a large headliner and there's so many things that you have to pull apart in order to get the headliner down. But other than that, it's not too bad. The fun part is the actual deadening.
It ain't gonna do itself though. Time to get busy.
As you can hear, it's way loud over here next to the air compressor and the dust collector. So we're gonna go ahead and take this operation outside just to try to get away from it a little bit.
Want that popper?
This is 10 millimeters for sure.
And for some reason, I'm missing a whole bunch of my time lapse dropping this headliner down. But anyways, it's down. And we got a whole bunch of metal up here. Get it covered with a little bit of that second skin. A couple layers, we should be good to go. It's actually not as bad as I've heard before, but his foam is still in place. But still, it's just pure metal, so we'll fix that up. Yeah, right there. Two layers of the Damp Pro. I mean, we did as good as we can considering there's a sunroof in the way. Yeah. Put that boy back up where it was. Alright, we got that all back together. Roof is done. There's already some in the doors. We're going to do quarter panels. I'll get as much as I can over here, and we'll do this back hatch. So that'll be tomorrow. Yep, this is a lot of work, not even to the fun stuff, not even to the electronics yet. We got the floor done, we got the roof done, we got the quarter panels and the wheel wells done. It's really not going to be a big vibration problem down here. It's pretty solid, but it'll help a lot with the road noise, and we did it out of the principality of the situation. We had the carpet up, might as well just get it done. Love that sound. Snappy. All right, everything's put back together. Mission accomplished. Time to move on to getting that box ready for the subs, the terminal cups, and the actual subs themselves. All right, got the second skin all finished. Time to build some subs. We need to get these things over to Gately's. Get them put together. Let me get one more look at these things out in the sun real quick. Look at that.